So guys, I decided to share this video with you where I was sorting the fish. This is their 3 months and 11 days. The last video I posted was when I was weighing the fish, so I decided to share with you how I sort it. You know, they are big, so you don't bring them out from the pond. Normally me, I don't bring them out from the pond because it causes more stress on them. So they are too big now, so I can't bring them out. Just looking for the ones that are bigger, then put them in a separate pond. The smaller ones, put them also in a separate pond. You know, when you put all of them together like this, both big and small, the big ones will not allow the small ones to eat. And that's the reason why they will not grow. The small ones will not grow if you put all of them together like this. So it's good to sort them and then feed them with the right size of feed. The smaller ones, I'm going to reduce the size of feed that I feed them. Then the big ones, I increase their sizes. So that is how I do my feed. The essence of this sorting is to allow the smaller ones to grow. So this is what I'm doing in this video. I'm sorting them, putting the smaller ones one place and then the big ones one place. Please help me hit the like button and also subscribe if you've not subscribed. Please and please. Thank you very much. Thank you for doing that. To be honest with you, sorting fish like this it's not an easy thing, no. Honestly, it's not an easy thing. But you just have to do it. Because that is what puts food on your table. It is what it is. So if you don't know how to sort your fish when they are big, just use this method. Though it's not easy, but you just have to do it. There's nothing difficult there, Sha. But you have to bend and stand, bend and stand. So most times it's stressful. But you just have to do it. So if you are not been sorting your fish because they are big, please do sort them. So that you help the smaller ones to grow. So that is what I'm doing in this video. In my next video, I'm going to be dropping a video on how I achieved this result within the space of 3 months. So do well to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop that video, you'll be able to see it. In that video, you're going to learn what I did. I did not do anything different from what I've been teaching you on this platform. So if you have not subscribed, please and please and please and please subscribe. Thank you very much. If you want to go into catfish farming, it's a very simple thing. Just go ahead, invest in catfish farming. Catfish farming is actually lucrative. It's lucrative. So do well to invest. If you want to invest, it's a good business, but you just have to follow the principle. So I'm done sorting the fish. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.